You take a bite, chew it once, chew it twice.
Drink a sip,
Oh,
put the glass down, he takes a sip, scratch his head and he makes a little smile.
Go.
Panels walking over, left foot right.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
You being silly.
What are you doing? Oh, no, now it's all over your chin. Go like that. Go like that.
Oh, what are you doing? I'm so silly.
Oh.
I know he reminds me of the little brother from Christmas Story. And how does the pig eat? Alright, make sure you eat the ice cream now, okay? Silly boy.
Wrong side, James. Wrong side of the spoon.
What are you doing? Jake. What are you doing? Oh. What are you doing?